Hello guys, good morning. It's Tuesday. Don't mind all the mess in the house right now. We are moving out. Right now we're on our way to the apartment complex. We're gonna go pick up the keys and hopefully I can do an empty apartment tour for you guys. I'm excited. Alright, it's real quiet in here, so I don't want to talk too loud, but let's do an empty apartment tour. There's a trash can here. They pick up the trash every single day, minus Fridays and Saturday, I think. So I love it. To enter the apartment, you got an app that you got to unlock and lock with the door, which is genius. I love it. No keys actually. So you just literally unlock and you're in. How cool. Love that. Really love that. When you first come in, you got kitchen right here, and then this is the laundry room. So I'm gonna show you this side first and then we'll come this way. This is the kitchen. I really like it. It's not huge, it's not small, it's a really nice size. I mean, you got counter space, and then all of this real nice. The fridge, you got the oven, dishwasher, you got your microwave, and then you got your, you know, to put all your food and everything. Completely forgot how it's called, but you guys know. And then there's another log in here because this one actually will take you to the garage. So yeah, and same way, lock and unlock with the app. And then here, let me show you this. How cute. Welcome home. They left some goodies for cleaning. And then the part that got me the most was this. Brooks, Anna, Alana, Ike, and Lily. Like, welcome home. The fact that they included Ike and Lily, oh my gosh, just got me. So cute. Living room is huge, which was a main thing for us because this apartment is actually just a 2-bedroom. So one's gonna be for us, the other one is gonna be for Alana, and then here the living room I'm gonna have my makeup room because, you know, there's no more room. So but I'm gonna show you how we kind of have planned on set it all up, but then you guys will see how it looks once we have done it. Hopefully it doesn't take that much time. So here you got the counter. We were thinking about putting some bar stools here, but we just realized that this does not come out that much, so we don't have much space for legs. So any idea, please let us know. And then we're thinking on a real nice couch here, some, I don't know, some decor, but then now the couch goes like right here, and then the TV this way, I don't know, something like that. And then this part right here, all of this, which is like huge, it's gonna be my makeup room, like, you know, a little corner for me for my filming and all of that. But yeah, huge window. Light in here is insane. I love it. It's real bright. And then we got fireplace, and then we got a little deck right here, which is real cute. Let me show you. Ay, I love it. Real cute. And then this is the master bedroom, which you can actually open this. I'm gonna take you to the master bedroom this other way, which is kind of close to the kitchen. This is just like a closet storage. You guys can see. Master bedroom definitely isn't that big like the one that we have right now in the house, but we will make do. I know we will. I love this right here. You guys know I'm a sucker for lighting. This right here opens, like I mentioned before when I was showing you the deck. I'm thinking of switching these blinds for actual curtains because I don't really like this. We'll see how we do that. It has a screening door too, in case that we just want to open the window and let some fresh air come in. I'm not sure because of the dogs that will just run into it, but yeah. And then right here we got the bathroom, which is actually big enough. We really like it. It has a slide door which is smart because it doesn't take up more space here in the room or in the bathroom. Left, we got, you know, linen closet. And then it's a 2-sink bathroom, which I love. I think this is gonna be my spot. That's gonna be Brooks' spot. And then medicine cabinet. I love the huge mirror. We got the toilet, and then we got, you know, the actual shower. I like the color of the hardwood. It's kind of like a beige gray kind of. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I really like it. And then we got the closet, which is big enough. We got that here. Now the rest is basically just Alana's room, laundry room, and the bathroom. Now this is the front door. We got laundry here. As you can see, we got the washing machine, we got the dryer. This right here are a little tricky to close because of the carpet. It's real thick, so it doesn't have much space for it to slide on, but it works, which is important. Now we got Alana's bathroom. The same. Big mirror, medicine cabinet. We got her sink. Bunch of storage room here. Toilet, shower, and bathtub. Real big too. Hardwood is the same color as our bathroom. And then her room is as big as ours, I think. A little bit smaller probably, but not much. She's got her closet here. And she's got a huge window, which I love. And that is it. The camera's a little crooked, I think, but okay. That is it, you guys. I hope you guys really liked the tour. It was real short. The apartment isn't that big. I think it's big enough for all of us. A lot of people were asking why we haven't bought a house, and honestly, it's just buying a house I don't think will be very smart. Brooks thinks the same thing. So we're gonna keep renting until we feel comfortable enough to buy a house. I'll put it out there, I'll manifest it. But meanwhile, we're very happy with this apartment. I really like it, and we are actually really excited to move into this apartment. They've got like a kid park, they got a pool, they got a little fitness center, and it's a very family oriented apartment complex. There are a lot of kids running around during the weekend. They've got a cute park for the kids. So I'm happy. I think it's gonna be real good for Alana too. It's very dog friendly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this empty apartment tour. I'll see you in my next video, and I'll keep you updated on how we're doing with decor and how we're kind of setting everything up. If you guys like that kind of videos, let me know in the comments, so I'll do them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye.